Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner. Here we have to tap on the history, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of all previously visited websites. Of course, you can remove all of them manually, one by one, just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. But if you if you have this list so wide, and if you'd like to remove all of them with actually one click, just tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some we can change the time range from past hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. And right now we can mark the options we would like to remove. So we can remove browser history, cookies, sensor data, cached images and files, and also saved passwords and auto-fill form data. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now empty. We've got no history entries found, so it means that we just successfully removed everything. So actually, this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.